I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Thursday afternoon. Boy, I tell you, winter is definitely locked in here next 5 to 7 days. Here's the deal. We've got some of the coldest air of the season on the way for tonight through Friday and Saturday, coupled with strong wind. And we're talking about wind chills that'll be pretty significant, well below zero. And even a storm potential, jumping way ahead to early next week, Monday and Tuesday. That may bring some accumulating snow. And speaking of snow, we're looking at Newport. Now, we're taping this as of 3:30 in the afternoon. There's been some snow showers off and on today, which in itself isn't really too much of a factor here. But we've noticed that it has caused the pavement and the ground to be damp. And it's really a function of just how fast the pavement can dry out before we get this rapid temperature drop this evening and overnight. So bottom line, there may be some icy spots. So here's the deal on the threat tracker for tonight and through Friday. This is primarily due to the bitter wind chills that are on the way. But as mentioned, remains to be seen how fast some of the pavement can dry out. But there may be some icy spots and black ice with a rapid flash, kind of a flash freeze. I don't think it's widespread. I think it's mostly secondary roads. So if you're traveling tonight, some of these rural roads that are not well lit and still have some moisture on it, that'll freeze up. Just be mindful of that. But windy and frigid, wind chills going below zero, especially after midnight and into really all day Friday. In fact, here's Friday, and the main concern here for us, at least locally, is the coldest air of the season. Wind gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour. Boy, the comfort factor is not very good at all with these bitter cold wind chills. Now, we may get a couple of snow showers tomorrow. However, if you have travel plans out towards the Cape and the islands, they'll actually have like a mini snowstorm. It's very localized and very confined to essentially Cape Cod only, but some brief heavy snow squalls are expected there. Here, I think just a couple of passing snow showers. And then over the weekend, not bad. Now, granted, Saturday, especially Saturday morning, is still frigid, but essentially it's a dry weekend, and it's not quite as bitter on Sunday. You can see on the satellite radar composite some of the snow showers that have been coming in off the ocean. Nuisance stuff, but it's causing the pavement to be damp. Actually, the sun is already coming out in central and western Connecticut. So I do expect, actually, the skies to be clear in the evening and during the overnight. All right, temperatures right now really not that bad. So where is this Arctic outbreak of cold air? Well, it's already entering upstate New York. You can see it in Canada. And that's the bitter air that's headed our way. Watch what happens the next 12 to 24 hours right on top of us. Overnight tonight, Friday morning, and into all of Friday day and Friday night. Those aren't the wind chills. Those are the actual air temperatures. But you couple in the strong wind, at times these wind chills are going to be running 10, 15 degrees below zero. So here's the forecast hour by hour. And snow showers are pulling away, clearing out, dropping temperatures, increasing wind. And again, these are the actual air temperatures, not wind chill. And we're starting off single digits on Friday morning at 7 a.m. We never even make it to 20 during the afternoon. See the heavy snow, very localized from roughly Plymouth and out towards Cape Cod and the islands. You can pick up several inches of snow there. Elsewhere on Friday afternoon, we may get a passing snow shower. And here we are at 5 o'clock in the evening. And then we're clearing back out Friday night, sets up for another bitter cold night with wind chills once again running below zero. So here's the forecast hour by hour. And again, there may be some icy spots early this evening. Otherwise windy, very cold, and by 6 in the morning, temperature about 10 above with wind chills running below zero. Here's the breakdown on Friday morning with very cold conditions, windy, wind gusts at times, 30, 40 miles per hour. Those are your temperatures. Noontime, 17. That's it. And here's an hour by hour breakdown for your Friday afternoon. And notice the high temperature, never even making it to 20. And maybe a brief passing snow shower, especially as you get into southeastern Massachusetts. But keep in mind, travel may actually get slippery roughly New Bedford eastward. I think any travel beyond New Bedford out towards the Bourne Bridge and Cape Cod, it'll be a different story. So just be mindful of that. And then the weekend overall is just cold and dry, especially on Saturday. And then we draw our attention, jumping ahead to Monday and Tuesday. A lot of our guidance, computer guidance, is still pointing to a potential coastal storm that may bring some accumulating snow. So that one we'll need to watch closely. But a lot to be tracking over the next several days. And winter is certainly locked in during that time period. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.